I'm Joe.
And I'm Bill. Welcome to Old Time Auto Repair's YouTube channel.
Well, Bill, what do we have today?
Today we have a 72 Scout with a 304 International engine. The customer brought in for fuel leakage. The carburetor, the whole truck's been sitting for a very long time according to the customer. So we ended up rebuilding the carburetor using our new ultrasonic cleaner to totally disassemble, clean the carburetor. Put it all back together, got it running yesterday, and found out that it was running way too rich at idle. Now in these Holley carburetors, this is a 500 CFM 2-barrel. They have jets in them, little brass pieces that meter the amount of fuel that goes into the carburetor. This particular one had 74s in it, which is a little bit big for this 304 International motor. This isn't a high horsepower motor, not high RPM or anything like that. It's all about low end torque, pretty much. 4-wheel drive Scout. So I ordered up a set of 71s and gonna install those and readjust the carburetor and see how it all goes.
Now, my question to you is, how did you decide that those were too big? What was the deciding factor that 74s were bigger than what we got now?
When you work with the mixture screws on the Holley, they're in the metering plate. These could be almost completely closed and the truck would still idle. You preferably want about a turn to a turn and a half on each mixture screw to set your base idle. And being they could only get about a quarter turn or less, that just tells me there's too much fuel running into the metering block, and it would also affect higher RPM operation. So we're going to install some 71s in it, which is 3 sizes smaller, reassemble the carburetor and retune it.
Sounds like a fun time.
Absolutely, always is.
And now I got to go underneath from the fuel pump.
Fuel line.
Absolutely. So I'll get ready on
fuel
the
filter.
You have the fuel filter handy?
It's in there.
Perfect. Sounds like a productive day.
Pretty much.
All right, I'll get on the creeper and get that rocking and rolling, and we'll meet in the middle. And we got a new spool of wire, or hose, wire, hose, everything in between.
McCoy's calling.
Who?
McCoy Bank.
Oh.
Okay, after the short jump clip, carburetor's assembled, new fuel line, new fuel filter. I gotta fix and fire it up and start adjusting. I'm gonna set it initially at a turn and a half on each idle screw. My carburetor's empty of fuel, so it's gonna take a little bit to get it fired up.
You ready?
Almost. Go ahead.
Cranking.
Now it's just a matter of adjusting everything. By adjusting the screws, it affects the idle mixture. If I turn them in too far, as you can see, it'll stall out. Hold on. me preliminarily set them.
You know, I have to say, this is a very comfy truck.
It's a nice truck.
It's a very nice truck. I think I need one of these in my life.
All right, try that.
Cranking up.
Now it's a matter of adjusting the idle screws to get a smooth idle.
Mark's here for the credit card. Well, I guess it's time to fire the old girl up, see how smooth she runs, take her down the road, and see what happens. Let's see what she does. All right. Just purring right along, absolutely smooth. Yeah. Do you want to do? Oh,
Take her for a drive.
it's gonna be hard to hold. There.
Don't drive like an idiot, you'll be good.
And away we go. I am absolutely ecstatic of how well this thing cruises along. She's very, I don't know, I'm in love. We're just gonna go down the block, turn around, and hopefully we don't run out of fuel because she's kind of low. Put new brake hoses on her yesterday. I can get her in a second. Come on, guy. Okay. Okay, well, I guess I'm going then. This is like the ultimate vehicle. Just go cruise around and bum around in. If I'm not mistaken, the customer wants this as his daily driver. And this would be a very cool daily. I mean, how could you go wrong with it? All right, come over here and do a nice little turnaround.
Nice ride, dog.
Thanks, sir. Yeah, even people on bicycles love this truck, so it's kind of a beautiful thing. Never drove an International Scout before. This thing's just right. Like I hope this customer enjoys this truck for what it is. How can you go wrong? Got the arm out the window. you just feel back in time in simpler days, and I think that's what it's all about with a classic car. No technologies needed, no BS, no nothing. Just a manual transmission, a good old steering wheel, 3 pedals, and a good time. Now she does wander a little bit, but I just can't complain. God, I am so happy driving this thing. There's first gear. And pull into the old shop. Get to call the customer up, tell him that his truck's all nice and running right and everything's all happy. I mean, how can you complain? Honey, we're home. Hey, look, it even stops. Now, I'm gonna hate to see this truck go, but on to bigger and better things, guys. So right there. This is such a minty vehicle. I mean, how can you not like this? It's absolutely joy to drive. It's a pleasure to work on. Nice, simple. You cannot go wrong with it, guys. And look, there's more work in the shop to be recorded and turned out.